Hi guys, good morning. So this is a 5 volt 10 ampere 192 channel machine for prismatic cell. So we will explain you how to install this machine and how to connect the power supply, how to connect the cell in this video. So this machine we can do 10 ampere charging and 10 ampere discharge. We can test any type of higher capacity cell also, like 100 ampere, 80 ampere, 60 ampere, but charging time will increase only. So for this machine we need 3-phase power supply. I will show you the cable connection. So we need this type of cable for inputs of power supply. It's a 4 core जिसमें 1 न्यूट्रल है, 1 is L1 means line 1, line 2 and line 3, and 1 is neutral. We also need earthing wire for the same. So this is the earthing wire for the input connection. So here is 3-phase with 1 neutral and 1 earthing. So ये वायर 4 वायर यहाँ से इन होती है, सॉरी आउट होती है. ये केबल यहाँ से आउट होती है और आउट होकर बाहर आती है. You can see here.
Here's the top search result.
So total 12 row in a one column and 12 in another column. एक रैक में हम इसमें 4 सेल कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, लाइक बट सेम डिफरेंट कैपेसिटी, बट इट विल चार्ज ओनली विथ 10 एम्पियर लाइक कांस्टेंट करंट. वी कैन नॉट गिव लाइक डिफरेंट प्रोग्राम या डिफरेंट स्टेप फॉर द सेम. सो इन वन साइड वी कैन कनेक्ट 96 सेल, another 96 cell we can connect in another side. So one side में 96 सेल हम कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं और 96 अदर सेल के लिए हमें लाइक बैक ऑफ द मशीन जाना पड़ेगी. सो यू so another 96 channel is this side. So both side 1 MCB is there and एक LED लाइट होती है जब मशीन को हम ऑन करते हैं. मैनुअली हम ऑन ऑफ कर सकते हैं मशीन को. So now we are going to connect the wire with MCB. So we need 4 core cable for the input connection. So for this machine operation we need 132 ampere MCB. So here one is line 1, line 2, line 3 and one is neutral. So Mr. Avnish will connect the power supply. So Avnish, please connect. So here we have connected R, Y, B and neutral and earthing wire also in 32 ampere MCB. Now we are going to connect the cell into the jigs into the rack. So we will connect sub sample cell like 3 to 4 cell for example. How to connect. So Manjit, कौन सी सेल है?
This is a 80H LFP cell.
80H LFP cell.
Yes, LFP and prismatic cell.
Okay.
Yes.
Great. So please connect the cell. So please connect. So ये नेसेसरी होती है कि सेल को ऐसे पुट करनी है या कैसे भी कर सकते हैं?
हाँ, जगह इसमें
Okay, so we need to place the cell here. Like
Like this?
in one tray we can put four
four
cells.
cell.
So here is
There's two wire. One is positive. This is red one is positive, and black alligator is for negative terminal. Okay. And here same wire is for charging and discharging for both for so
okay. So for charging and discharging, you are using only same
same wire.
same cable.
And in same this part, and we can connect to four cell only.
इसके बाद हमें जो टर्मिनल होते हैं टर्मिनल पे कनेक्ट करना होता है जिग्स को. हम अपने अकॉर्डिंग प्लेसिंग कर सकते हैं उसको. नाउ ही इज कनेक्टिंग this type we need to connect the cell. Same wire for charging and discharging.
Yes, same wire for charging and discharging.
So we don't need like 4 wire to connection. If we will connect like positive to negative wire or negative to positive wire, then what happened? One light will glow. If like wrong connection, for wrong connection, light will continue glow when we will put like a step. When we will on the machine, start this machine, if like connection is wrong, then light will glow. So wrong connection के लिए आइडेंटिफाई हो जाती है जी. अगर हम लोग किसी ने अगर नॉन टेक्निकल पर्सन भी अगर रॉन्ग कनेक्शन कर दिया लाइक पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव कनेक्शन हो गई तो लाइट विल ग्लो ना. इट विल वेरी इजी फॉर अस. और चार्ज भी नहीं लेगी, स्टेप भी नहीं लेगी तो चार्ज डिस्चार्ज भी नहीं होगी. देन सॉफ्टवेयर विल प्रोटेक्ट एवरी टाइम. Now one MCB is there. We need to on. Is on. So this is the hardware process, how to install and how to connect the cell into the machine. So machine have started. And here is manual process only. We can set like 5 volt 5 ampere, 5 volt 2 ampere manually is also. So this is a very simple process for hardware installation, like plug and play type. Only we need to connect three phase 4 core cable into the MCB. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. And next video I will explain how to install the software and how to operate the machine. Thank you. So once hardware installation is completed and when light is glowing, then next process is software installation. So here two communication wire is coming from the machine. One for 96 channel, another for 96 channel. So I will show you the communication port, COM port. So here is COM port. We need. So this is also coming with machine only. See only like plug and on the system, connect and on the system. So this machine software will run in Windows 10, Windows 7, all Windows. So please connect the communication COM cable. When it's done, then COM light will glow in both sides. So we will send you the software on pen drive, Google. So please put this software on desktop here. Software name is Semco Infotech. Model name is PK. First we need to off the firewall. So please go on Task Manager. Control panel. Go in System and Security. Windows Defender Firewall. And turn Windows Defender. Turn off. So now it's on. So when it's done, then we will start to install the software. Start करें आप. So please click on the software. So here you can see BK 3000 for one.